Hi, I'm Mrs. Barber and I teach AP Environmental Science, and in here we learn all about how nature works and how man impacts nature. So welcome to AP Environmental Science. So what do we study in environmental science? The first semester is very biology related, where we talk about ecosystems and biomes and how nature is supposed to work on its own, how it takes care of itself. We also spent some time learning about the geology of our Earth and plate tectonics. Okay.
And that's the Coriolis effect.
We learned a little bit about weather systems and our winds. And then second semester is really focused on man's impact on the environment. So we talk a lot about global warming. We talk about those greenhouse gases. We also talk about water pollution and air pollution and land pollution. We learn about how our farming impacts our land and some more sustainable ways that we can farm, and other activities too that are more environmentally friendly. Another big project that the students worked on was their eco-columns, and you can see the students are busy working on those. This was a long-term project that students spent over 12 weeks on, where we made a model of an ecosystem where we had a terrestrial chamber, we had a filtration chamber, and we also had our aquatic chamber, which represented a pond, and we had a cute little mosquito fish in there as well.
We made an eco column pretty much with like soil and plants, and we have little worms in here, and also like a fish and a snail. But two snails actually now.
It's supposed to operate as its own little biome, and it works by itself. Pour water in from the top, cycle it from the filtration chamber, and it'll filter through, giving all the organisms and plants as well water and nutrients it needs, going through here and getting back to the fish. Chocolate chip cookie. What is your name?
No, it's cookie.
It's just cookie.
It's really fun.
But
It's really fun doing this.
yeah, this class has been really fun, and you should join.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Join AP Environmental Science.
Trust me, it's really relaxing.
This year, students got to go on a field trip to the Chattahoochee Nature Center. There they got to observe some wildlife. They got to take water quality samples as well and see why it's important to have vegetation along riverways. So that was a really fun trip. We got to spend about 3 hours there. Students usually have about 15 minutes of work to do every night, where they just view the AP daily videos and take notes. And that leaves us time to really highlight those areas that students need more instruction, and gives us some time to do a lot of hands-on activities. That's what we like to do, right? We like to do a lot of labs.